Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Welcome to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. Good morning, good evening, or good night. Right? Morning, good afternoon, or good night. But yes, guys, the time is counting down. You know, my daughter is coming soon in this month. You know, so I never want to break it to you guys yet, but you know, I'm just getting, the more the time get closer and the more I get excited, you know, to see her. It's been a couple of years now since the last time she been back here to Jamaica, so she's finally coming back. So who never get to meet my daughter, now you're gonna see her on the day when she arrive. You know, you're gonna see my dim my princess, you know. So yes, so she's coming here to celebrate her birthday with daddy, you know. So she want to spend her birthday this trip with me, you know, which is I feel so. Yes, so we got something planned and everything, you know. I was trying to get a resort book, you know, for like, you know, for a couple of days for her, you know, for her birthday, but I can't believe this, everything is booked out already. You know, so it's only like some people that's selling back the ticket, or the agency is selling back the booking space, and I've been trying to get, you know, and nothing as yet. You know, I've been trying to get something through Rio or one of those, but I can't believe it, because it's coming on to the Easter, everything is booked out. I'm like, oh my days, everyone is booked out for the Easter holiday already. You know, so just imagine that. So guys, so still it's never too late. So if any one of you watching and you having a connection, you know, for any resort booking, anyone we can get through, any agency we can, you know, squeeze me through on a date, you know, please just let me know, contact me, give me the link so I can call them and see what the best they can get done, you know, because I would still love to, you know, to give her that resort trip, you know, for her birthday. You know, if not, we got some things planned out that we're gonna do on the day, you know, which is she really excited about what we plan to do on the day, you know. So which is, if anything, we're gonna go ahead and do that, because she really more excited in that, you know, because things that we say we're gonna do. So let's see what's gonna happen, you know. So guys, remember to give the video a like, remember to put the thumbs up, you know, never forget, you know, please remember to put the thumbs up, like and share, tell a friend about Akeynote Life in Jamaica. So blessed love, guys. Peace. Go back to Trenchtown, you know, so when I get to head to by Cranberry then. So I got a donation I'm gonna drop off to the guy that local boy, one of his worship brother, local boy with the heart problem, you know. I got a donation for that, you know, to help out, you know, from unknown, and also got a donation from Auntie Pauline to take the little boy to go get his next scan. So I'm gonna go over there and give them a donation, you know, and then tomorrow now we have to head up by Cranberry, you know. You two get to?
Yeah man, the whole three of them two man genius.
See a bird, the man them cooking. Whoa! Whoa! No! Oh, she was cooking some bird, guys. Watch this, see it?
Yeah man,
how can a bird is?
Yeah man, they don't look at tell you man, you know. It's a ball plate.
Ball plate.
Ball plate.
White, yeah man, the white.
You have white-head and you have the one of them chunks, the brown one.
Yeah.
Barbie dog.
Barbie dog, yeah.
No, not Barbie dog man, ball plate them. You have ball plate. That's a ball plate them. The one that fly all brown around the tree.
Yeah, the wild.
I have white-head. So them this, you know, me a brown sweet. I look up and put some on the grill up around me, you know.
Jeez.
Yeah man, sit there.
So they can start flying now.
Yeah, come down on my wings already, you know, coming out between the Red Bull. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Hey man, you see me I say, sit there?
Yeah.
Wait till it done fry and wait till it cook down with me.
Yeah.
Onion and tomato and
Carrot.
and look thing there. You see me I say?
Yes,
Wait till it cook down, you can see it.
Yes, let us see nothing yet. Wait till the cook down.
Yeah.
Well, I said about the one, the quinoa and the mushroom. You don't want anything that again.
Yeah, man, think I once a while I wish them something every day, you know. You see? Come on. Yeah.
Man, fear more than something.
Yes, sir. Once a while I'm going to eat the quinoa and the mushroom.
Yeah.
Man, tell you.
So you can't eat that every day.
When I tell you like people, I like the mushroom, you know. Yeah, man.
The what?
Nice.
I like the mushroom.
Mush.
Yeah, I like it.
The mush.
Yeah, man.
The overshoot name.
No, man. Mushroom.
Overshoot.
Mushroom, yeah, man. Yeah, man. I like it, you know. Yeah, and the vegetable and, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the rice and is in.
But once in a while you have to eat that.
But I once in a while I eat it still, like eat it a week, yeah. Next week I eat again. I go eat the whole week.
So for the 6 days they my chicken back.
No, long time I eat chicken back no people. Yesterday the first, for a good while. Rice and peas and chicken back I cook yesterday. So I say,
I know the man have some.
yeah man, I know me have some barbie dog bar, yeah man, so we can see bar, plate and we can see. Yeah man. Well, I put it, you know. The thing I say.
So it's a middle around here?
Yeah.
So in the corner?
Right in the corner there, so. Yeah. But I watch it, man, because you have to have some meat in your blood, you know. Yeah, man, so you see, you still have to look for the medicine. You see me? Mash up, love it, yeah. Pick up the yeah.
Love the what?
Love the mash up.
The mush.
Yeah, man, go on, I know them get a name there, you know. But I hate, you know, see
The
there.
mush.
See there, I tell. Like a young chicken, I tell.
Young chicken, young bird.
Yeah, man.
All little bird themselves.
People want to tell them money, I hold them tough. I'm going to cook it down and you know get it soft with some garlic.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's me I say.
Yeah, cool now.
No watch your face, people, man. I eat, man.
I eat.
Yeah, man. Come on, do it, man. You see?
Alright, then we'll check on Miller and come back. So, Miller, what's going on in here?
Look a bird, we there that go.
Look a bird. Cha. These are a whole heap of birds. So we had the whole church don't get bird. Come and just worship or fry some bird. Are the same bird them?
I see them bird them.
Jesus
One pluck out bag.
I wouldn't
go shoot and them.
I wouldn't go catch them?
No, I a China virgin, but I Jeff China virgin. We work with them. Two cocos back come give ready and yeah. So we are clean up.
A pigeon them yeah?
No, yeah, man, they mix.
They mix?
Yeah.
Pigeon, ball, plate,
white
barbecue,
wing.
white wing, all different kind and them thing there.
So now boil them man.
Yeah, clean them up and then
I throw them in the pan fridge.
them and them thing there.
So you say like a brown stew and curry and French fry and everything like a bubble up. Yeah. So don't want an original chicken and a chicken back then.
No, not yet.
You don't have this. How are your Sunday?
Big. Oh, I left him up the road like him that sleep.
I'm asleep.
Yeah.
Alright, what go time meet there now? You must sleep. Alright, stay there today.
Yeah.
Alright. Like I better step down like all that stuff. You're sleeping. Oh, daddy I kill bird for you. You eat bird? Yeah, I gotta have some brown stew bird. Remember one time with the young still with the kill pigeon and fry him, roast him.
Yeah, man.
You know?
By the time I roast
him.
And so I'm going and just in brown stew and fry and then look thing there. Last time I get some fry them and French fry them and then look thing there and so on. You see, yeah man, them bad man.
Yeah.
I think wow chef a deal it took me on.
Yeah, I see. I just check him a while ago and see my fry up some.
Yeah.
But so Auntie Pauline, right?
Yeah.
For the next test for him to do, a scan, right? Yeah, so she sent the money for us to go and do that. Yeah, so we have to just pick a day when we can just go up there, was suitable for you and him. And we can go up there and deal with it. As which part you say the place there? Where is the place?
Somewhere top half you made up the thing right down still.
The address?
Yeah.
Okay. Arthur Tree?
Yeah, somewhere to half a tree.
For Arthur Tree Road?
Yeah.
Where? Where name?
Yeah,
Manor Avenue?
Balmore
Oh, Balmore Avenue. Balmore Avenue. I think me hear the name there. I think I know which part, you know.
Somewhere when you go up to Maxfield side there, so I go up to look at it in a half a tree there.
Okay.
Somewhere around.
Okay, so it's not inside half a tree.
No, and really inside half a tree.
Alright, good.
But nearby still.
Nearby. Alright, good. So we can deal with that then. So we have to just start up a day when the boat we can go. You know
right now, any day at all, you know, for even if him can stop from school for one day, that's a real problem for this. You see, you know, have to deal with and then look at thing there and so you see, you know, have to deal with, you see. Yeah.
Alright then, so we're gonna get that deal with then in the week then, yeah? Organized. So I'm still feel the pain, see me?
Still feel the minor pain.
Okay.
Yeah. You could have come on now and then, but you don't know to him there, you go and move around and thing. Yeah. But you want to know, so you deal with and that out of the way and then healthy and alright for him can start back in look at tracks and them look at thing there and so on there and get in, continue and listen further for.
Yeah. Come.
A good youth, you know, I like how him take on to school and them look at thing there and him do him look at school work.
Wait.
You see, him do him look at school work and you see, I not really say him really the brightest, but him can read good and I love how him a going right now. You see, we just gonna need some more look at help with him, if we make him push further in a certain local thing and so on in the thing, and when we can help take care of him and them things for it rough, I not tell a lie. It's a single man like me for overall, I not really work. I do look at car wash and them look at things and so, but really I want some help. You see, for me really want a help for. I want a car wash machine right now. For me can do it and go and help out with and them look at things, but I can't afford it.
Oh, for the machine, the pump is there?
Yeah, the car wash, but you see, I can't afford it. I go look for one what here and them tell me say about the one there for about 60,000. You see?
Okay.
Yeah. But if I can get a look at help, that's really nice still for overall.
Towards it.
Yeah. Or if more at time I'm not help, I can help out film situation in a local we are still. You see? Yeah. For me, I love a look at help for try by a machine. You see? Yeah. So I don't know who really then love to give me a help for me. That really give thanks. Feet and them little thing there and so for me really want for so long time me alright, him a go alright, you know. And I can help out situation with him more at time and so on, you see. I'm glad with Auntie Pauline I do for him and them little thing there for more right time. Me no really have it and the situation really rough, you see. And Auntie Pauline, me give thanks to you every time, you know. You see, me I beg God for bless you more and make your hands always there to help him and them little thing there and so on help many more who can help and them little thing there. Auntie Pauline, I wish you many love, you know. You see, and many good things for that going to make happen for you and them little thing there, you know, Auntie Pauline. So I really give thanks to what you do, you know, but I really need the help still, you see.
So Auntie Pauline sent $200, you know, for you to do him scan and then stuff there. So mom to your mother?
Your mother? Right now, your mother not even know what she really deal with, you know, them you're seeing for. I don't know what she do right now.
Okay. So that's you been looking after him?
Yeah, me, I take care of him right now and them look at things there and so, you see.
Okay. Understand. Yeah. Alright then, so I have one donation with this sent from an unknown as well too.
Yeah.
And this is from, this is 9,800, you know, to help out with him. You know, food or something at school, you know, so because Auntie Pauline already send the money for you to do this scan, so you can do. So this is 9,800 from unknown from the USA.
Yeah. Let me give a shout out to unknown. Unknown. I give thanks, you know, my general. You see, my respect, you know, you see, and I love the help you give me and them little thing there.
It's a female, you know. It's a female.
It's a female.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that, you see, I love the local help you give me unknown and thing, and you see, I'm glad for it for, you see, I give thanks to every local thing for, I can pay him lunch money, and you see, and make him go and take care, and when him come from school, Can they have to gain something and thing and you see, yeah. For more right time, him go Norman Manley, you see, and every day more right time I have find even $1,000 the least or 11 or 12 bills gain for lunch money and them thing there and so. I really give thanks for what I do for me, you know. You see, yeah. I beg Father God for bless you know, you see, and take care of you know. You see, yeah, for me give thanks to the local help. You see, yeah. My respect, you know. You see, sorry, I don't know one who could have meet in person for the love what I do for me. You see, yeah. I really give thanks. You see, I'm glad for the local help.
Yes.
You see, yeah. Respect, you know, unknown. Yeah. Auntie Pauline, big up, you know. You see, every respect to you know. You see, for me glad for what I do for me. You see, yeah. For me not telling a lie, the situation rough and I really give thanks. You see, yeah.
Alright, then.
Thanks for your assistance, Auntie Pauline. If I never feel you, you know when we get the test them done. Big up yourself always.
And unknown.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Alright then guys. So we give thanks, you know, Auntie Pauline, we say we're gonna get the test done definitely in the week, you know, one day in the week. And you know, this is a man who I wash my car as well too. I pay him to wash my vehicle. So he's a man that's passionate about washing vehicles, you know. So him say if he can get any farmer look help towards a machine where him say for $60,000. You know, so anything we can get towards it, you know, be grateful. So I'm gonna put it down towards it. So if you can get the look of machine now, you know, we used to spray it to wash the car. That'll be useful for you, you know, because you don't have to use bucket and rag, you know, at the minute. You know, so manual things. So it's a trying man, you know, so anything you can do, I really appreciate it, you know. So Auntie Pauline, I'm gonna keep you posted. I will thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Right, Mila?
Yeah, blessed, yeah, give thanks, yeah. And many love.
Yeah.
Auntie Pauline, unknown, yeah, respect every time.
Alright then, so guys, you know your thing, but so blessed love. So today we're going to drop off some donation to some of the members them, you know, that I got put down, you know, to give out to them. So I got put down to give out to them, and then I'm gonna head to Cranberry them to give them also a donation that I receive also for them, you know, and then head back down. So apparently we won't be able to do any work this week because Baja have other works doing, so we're not going to be able to do any work this week, you know, until the following week, you know, so that is going to be the plan. So next week will be continue where we left off, but this week is a quiet week. Baja got things very strong, but I'm going to do the usual and do what we're supposed to be doing. So in the meantime, let me give the members these donations, and then I'm going to head to Cranberry family and give them also donation for themselves too, you know, so
Yo, that's man, that man.
we have boom here, we have 30 grand,
Viewers and subscribers. 1 kilo life in Jamaica, you hear that? Love.
we have Shar right here, you know, we have Jenna over there, you know, but them say Jella nah, it's a dumpling pot. Yeah. And we have Esther over there, them say Jella nah, leave the pot. Watch that, nah, leave that. Not at all. Oh, Jella though. Jella nah, leave that at all. So
What the mother should come down here and mother pound we should go fry for her. You want to see her? I say, yeah, easy now, Jenna, we see what go on.
Jimmy.
Jojo.
That look like Doodoo.
Jojo, man.
No, sir, that look like mine, Doodoo that.
Jojo.
Yeah.
Jojo.
You know where dreaming come about Jojo. That look like Doodoo. Yeah.
Got me beer.
I'm just thinking for a while ago because she never did that eat it, you know. They want so sharp one.
Mama give Doodoo. Alright guys, so we have a donation. The other day the members going to get some donation from from Jamaica and Grandpa. The other day gave us some donation for some of the members them, and So with a donation put down for them from unknown from the USA that they send some donation for some selected names, you know, and she know herself unknown from the USA, so she sent 2 donations, for one for Shara and also one for Jenna. You know, so we have so the other day everyone get 8,000, so today they get 8,400 when they get Brata. So Jella, come on sir. Shahara. So the other day some names they selected for some members, you know, and so this time the female send 401 right now, which is we have unknown from the USA. So Jenna, we have 8,400 here for you from unknown from the USA.
Unknown from the USA, thank you very much. May your food basket never empty. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Thank you again.
So 8,400, so do the maths.
5, 6, 7, 8.
400. Yeah, unknown from the USA.
From the USA. Thanks unknown from the USA.
Yeah. Now we have Shara. Yeah. Leila, dash with that phone there.
Knock it off.
You know, I'm well one beat already, you know.
Funny drive, though, that's enough.
Yeah. I give me a tough talk on phone. Guys, you see that girl over there, sir? I grew up now. Yes. I call Jella phone. A pure tough chat she give me. See her here? She, yes. She give me a tough chat. What am I going to do when I see her? Be a tough chat. And the last time she cussed me hell. Yeah. Hang up phone for how much time. Tired and sure. So we have 8,400 here for you from unknown from the USA.
Thank you, unknown. And may the blessing of the Lord keep you always.
So count it says 8,400. Alright, so we give thanks. Unknown, big up yourself, you know yourself, you know. We thank you so much because she already sent some donation for some of the members already. And she sent those to, you know, for Jenna and Shara that never was on the list at the time. So we have another donation here from Jamaican Grandpa. The Jamaican Grandpa sent a list of names, you know, which is the list of names that Jamaican Grandpa said. We have Rasta Jackson, we have Boom, we have Old Chef, we have Baja, we have Totty Grand, we have Prefect, we have Orius, we have Esther, we have Angela, which is Jenna, we have Natisha, Father for the Air, Scanner, and also Colors, Colorful. So which is everyone will get 5,000 each. So Rasta Jackson is not here. Rasta Jackson is on the work. So we have Boom here. So Boom, this is here 5,000 from Jamaican Grandpa.
Jamaican Grandpa, blessed and one loving and thanks. Blessed, love.
Now we have Old Chef here as well too. Jamaican
Grandpa.
You
know, Grandpa. Ladies them miss you, you know. Boy, I tell you what, you have a mommy with for ladies them miss you. About
I never him.
I never him. Another one there.
No, that's Jamaican uncle.
Oh, me mix it up with you. Sorry,
this is Jamaican Grandpa.
Jamaican Grandpa, that's a party man.
No,
yeah,
no.
try me, man.
No. This is the Grandpa.
Jamaican Grandpa, enough love, whole for blessing, you know. From 2 heart them, you know. Boy, judge, super boy, yo. Blessed love.
And a super boy, a bird a fly, man. A bird a fry.
Now the bird they make, but they start look bow yet. Tomorrow, something when I use a bird, and after that I go drill some bird, you know. Ask Toti have few money, grill a few money already. Yeah, me have some for grill up right now, but no. Jamaican Grandpa, no love, yeah man, bird.
To meet rice and peas and jerk bird. Man, them say the skin stretch like elastic and the bone tough like nail. When all the man they eat that, the skin is stretch like elastic.
Yeah man, jerk, no, I see them birds still jerk them for jerk, you know. They wipe something upon them and get them mildly and turn over and
still. They need the nail.
But then I tell you, say the bone them tough, but the meat them soft.
And the skin what?
The skin, no, the skin come from once the skin's gone around, the skin stretch off, come off, you know. So the bird them, What I love them. Feed over white and love them. Until I like them if you feed for more than chicken right now.
Yeah.
Now you fowl feed. Natural dirt they might from the ground and yeah man, healthy man. Bird nice. You know what? Watch your face man.
Watch my face. Top the gun, here's 5,000 from Jamaica.
Nature bird them man. Respect man. You see me I say appreciate this man. You see me I say I love to see you again man grandpa. Big up. No flow.
Alright then, now we have Esther, 5,000 from Jamaica and Grandpa.
Thank you very much, Jamaica and Grandpa. I really appreciate it. May the good Lord bless and keep you safe.
Jenna. Good morning. Now we have Jenna as well as on the list. We have 5,000 here. For you
Jamaican Grandpa. Thank you again, Jamaican Grandpa. Hold for respect. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Enough love. Thank you very much.
Okay, so we give thanks to Jamaican Grandpa. So we say Baja. So we have Baja, one put away, Prefect, Arias, Father for the Ear, Natisha, Scanner, and Colors. You know, so we give a thanks. So we give a huge thanks to you, to Jamaican Grandpa. We thank you so much for blessing the members. Then, you know, thank you so much for being so considerate. You know, may the good Lord continue to bless you and guide you. Anything that's nothing but love and love alone from the dream team. I thank you so much. Anything that's nothing but love and love alone. So we're going to head up to Mama River to give Cranberry them a donation also. And take them back the road.
Yeah, it's not a party. Come here, go take my thing and come and go and tell me to come up with
the put me ready. How is that going to do?
Oh, some stuff me I bring down to bring up a move, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. Chef, some people too can bring them to me.
Yeah, but then go and do them left for them, brother, if anything. Can't rush the job, you know, wow. Don't rush the job, you know. Natisha come on the road. Natish! So guys, sorry, so here's Natish just rolling in. This baby was in the bed having a baby.
No, today I'm a day off.
Okay.
Don't keep my baby, so I just rest.
Okay.
Which is right.
Which is right. So here we have $5,000 here for you from Jamaican Grandpa.
Jamaican Grandpa?
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, near food basket, never run dry.
Yeah.
Love and love alone. One team, two team.
Alright, so we'll give thanks to Jamaican Grandpa.
Jamaican Grandpa.
Alright,
bless you.
Bless. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head out now. I'll sort this out and come back. Yeah, so I'm saying I'm going to go on the road now and then we're back. And the field. Alright guys. The man put it back pole here so. Alright, me I wonder. Alright guys, so we just literally reach here at the river. Well, yes, I'm with Natisha, Boom, and Totti going is here today. No apple. No apple. Think of it. Hold on. $100 million walking.
Right, that's it.
It's a ball at the two.
I say yes, a clear president.
Yeah. Charge your bill wall. Charge your bill wall. Look what charge your do. Charge your bill wall, it look like. Ball is on the work. Eh?
You have to go here now. You do something for something there.
It's about it on the work. Carrying up material?
Yeah.
Well, strong man ballad. Strong.
Probably a boy there.
Yeah, boy.
No yet, man. No yet. Still a go on. No yet.
What to go out with stick?
Yeah.
Like charge a bit of retaining wall. It's the charge you're building a retaining wall. Is that charge you work this?
So I'm gonna.
You say you build a wall there? From the start?
Yeah, we build them one from the start. Them piece and me build up. But the whole of them that can start. Foundation, steel up everything.
Oh. Charge you put in the work. Oh. Okay. So it's a little retaining wall.
Yeah. Keeping the dog on. Keep all the dog.
Okay. So dog them used to pass this and go down?
This go through this. Yes, so they open up, you know, just wire there, just they open up.
Okay. You do a good job, man, Charge. Can't handle your business.
How much so?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, put them, you know. Them say I pass through. Watch ball head, man. I'm so ball head, I drop it. It's a ball head, so you drop it.
Yeah.
On your shoulder.
On the shoulder.
Cha. So ball head, how much of them bucket you can bring for the day?
Well, depends.
Come
You're going for the whole day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The legs them fit, man. I notice they've been walking up these hills.
I'm Manchester, we go from here.
Oh, you're from Manchester?
Yeah.
Girlchester.
I use corn dumpling.
You say corn?
Yeah.
You say corn dumpling?
Yeah, man.
It was greater.
Green corn.
Green corn.
Yeah.
It was greater the corn than the flour, though.
No.
No?
Sieve it.
Oh, you sieve it?
And then, whatever, and mix it. Very little flour.
Oh. So you have to teach me to make that one there then.
Yeah.
So the green one?
Yeah, man, it's greater it.
Oh, you greater it then, man, sieve it?
And sieve it.
Oh, so the origin.
Corn porridge, green corn porridge.
You hear that?
The level goes, so I'm going to test them never nail up the one on the side.
Yeah.
One piece and back piece and
If you can have
Got the
one
belt
thing
in.
there, if you have one
no,
steel with bend and tighten it.
no, I just want to nail, remember the next piece, the nail up around
Yes,
the
you
start,
can,
that
just
I use and clamp it down.
Alright then. Alright then, so we'll check on Cranberry them and so I'll go on up with a charge. Charge, I go and put in the work, man. Ball head, so ball head, no fruits, nothing is inside the yard. Nothing at all. Look on the hill where ball head I walk up. It's so nice when I'm going down the hill. Oh, it's so nice when I go. I tell you. That remind me. I'll charge it. I mean, like boom, go for your kids them and come back. Boom, you go for your kids them and come back. White nose and brown in. Ja. Nana swimming. Wait, so the pool fix up around there? Yeah? Wet up the stone. I gotta look on the pool. In the wilderness, guys.
Blackberry, clean up. Alright, just put it right there. Fit up back.
I said, fit up back. So the pool is ready. Oh. Come.
Oh, she got a river. Here down the place. Yellow pasta.
So all the chicken them kill off already?
This.
Everything there? You kill everything? Yeah. Uncle Leah's remaining. Morning? Evening, look miss. Evening. No morning gone already. So they eat all the chicken them already?
You know, them cut it by themselves when we gone to school.
And them eat it up?
We eat some too.
Eat some? Yeah, chicken done. And me not get none.
Because I do not eat.
I do not eat?
I do not eat it.
Yeah, man, me eat it, man. Never see me eat it. Me eat it, man. Me eat it, man. Me eat it. I ate it. It's been raining up here. Choo choo. Your mommy been washing.
I'm going to school.
Irie. Watch out, boom! Watch out, boom! Boom! Boom, what go on there, man? Alright? We check in. You make the kids them, I get the kids them joke. 30 gun! Oh, you missed that one there? What go on, sir? I know, boom, can't get check on him, check on him, not Tisha. Check on him. Him good?
You
know what?
You want to help?
You know what?
Let me help you. You can stay bad.
Hey, boom. You know I want to catch by the camera flush. Hey, tear off.
I couldn't put yourself a tear off.
Oh, break off, yes, sir.
Piece out there going along the line.
Yes, a piece in there.
Piece, they are on the big.
Okay,
so
sir.
slide down, come and back it. We come like that.
Yeah. Hey, you know, one thing I realize with that camera, I always catch somebody drop.
Nearly drop.
Are you in my ball out there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oi.
Man up there.
Jackfruit.
Am I the ball up, no?
Low that.
Man, him call police again.
I'm not him. A Chris.
A Chris, I tell him.
Yeah, be a grumbling up there now. Yeah. We try to get one feel. I'll never tell some people that.
I'm the landlord, man. I'm the landlord. I'm not him own the land. He's just the landlord. The land don't even have him name neither. Yeah. The land in him name.
So when we did go up there, him never there.
Yeah, but just because she went me up there, he not say anything. You know? But true for them call police and charge him, I don't go up there anymore.
I loan him more money from.
Exactly. And me alone him more money from.
Oh God.
But when I'm not there, I know it's a different story.
Okay.
Cranberry get hairstyle.
It's your mother.
Your mother?
I want to do that song.
You want to do too? Cranberry get flat up. Like Rasta mama. Look like for 1 month?
Stop telling her it's not 1 month. It's a whole week, she said.
Oh, that can't last 1 month.
You know, Keena? I told her we collect tara paper for sugar.
On the trip.
Because my mother said, look like she spent hours out her money to buy some food go on trip too.
Oh.
So the principal said, like, she gave she 3,000 this morning and Toko have 3,000 and me have 3,000 and Tara alone have 2. So the principal said my father forget about 1,000 pounds. So she said she put back some money on it and make a God chip say, no, when you come back you know see we are in that day for Friday. Oh, Tina, my teacher said, but every time he want to see and can't see you. Sometimes him say now go there sometime.
So where more see me for? You not see me on the video? Yeah. See me, I send my message. What's name?
Sir Langley.
Sir Langley. Wagwan, I'm here. How is everything? You know, say you want to see me. Say me, man, Wagwan. Yeah. so that means I have to go come out your school, come check and so Wagwan then. Maybe that's the reason. Right, Mr. Langley? Mr. Langley, I'm coming down here to see you Wagwan with Cranberry and Nana and all of them.
Right? Today we in a class at throw popcorn from Georgia.
Them a throw popcorn in a class. In a food teacher class. I will keep on
start a lie. Cause Miss asked who do that too.
Liar.
Cause your classmate did first something back on him.
Are you first did have popcorn? Have the popcorn and throw in our class, then you have to buy on it.
I miss one of it again.
Liar. And then I still do it.
Still I do it Cranberry.
No.
Sister Berry.
She said I'm stop
Sister Nana. Sister Berry and Sister Nana. Sisters. Yeah. Sister Berry and Sister Nana.
Cause she said all our break money alone for bring. Cause 3,000 we are bring, she collect it out of our lunch money.
And bathsuit.
And pool.
And she said, let me tell.
I'm not going to be a pool because the last time I'm going there,
I want big pool.
No, I'm be able to pool the last time.
No, show Jaja. Them have a baby pool for the baby and a big pool.
The last time I did one look up.
Exactly, it been there already? I know where it is. It's one big pool.
Where do you go?
All the baby them are going there.
Yeah, because you have a small part you can go. It's not that, it's not deep.
I make a hut and a tile. I get presents.
Oh, Kina, I say for can't go work garden.
Oh, actually.
Nobody want to go there for us.
Who do you bring there for us?
Jason!
Me?
Remember there, so enter the company, up your clean. Yeah, go bring more.
No, not only one day. If you always clean to I feel like.
I don't want to throw your dust come we go wash.
Everybody them say you have to work till you deserve it. You tell them Kenisha?
No, yes, I choose to put us, that's all and this stuff.
Yeah?
Because see that I'm yard clean up and the
But you have to continue to do it to when I'm sorry to not deserve it.
We don't want to go there, that will change it. We want to go something.
What garden all that? No ice cream?
Yeah.
No ice cream?
To talk on the vet,
What garden?
Okay, you can buy chicken and bring there. I'm not going to go and eat.
I love my belly.
You don't love your belly?
Yes, I like Kino never there. She said, Kino can bring me a walk garden and buy chicken and Jason. Come on, can go. Hey, I choose Kino come.
So I make them. I make them really want to go.
I'll never go.
Well, I have to see because we now keep the door them clean. See there already. So that means the pines come off on the thing. Yeah. So each time I come here and see something wrong, pines come off. And I have to reach 100 pines. No, let 20 pines now. Yeah, I have to reach 100 pines. So first in that 30 and Chuba comes to this and see the door, so pines come off.
I do when it bounce on this.
I'm going to the room. I'm going to the room and see more pines we can knock off.
No.
The pines have to build up. Right, Tara?
In the cleaner and the paint. Come on, I said she want to paint in her room back.
Yeah, the room I got paint.
Tomorrow?
And tomorrow, not home.
No, Badge have one work for go on, so we have to go put off tomorrow till the following week. Yeah, so Badge I got off for tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be out of it till following week.
Friday.
Following week.
When?
The following week. Because we're going to fix the ceiling.
Kina, you know I'm still have my something?
What's something?
What the woman give me?
What's that?
Phone. How come mash up your eye?
No, Atara mash it up.
Let me put it like what you do.
Atara.
Adam.
Atara.
Look at here. Oh, chef, you tell Nana said take the something from her. And you see it, look how much me have mine.
Tara, you did it?
Yeah, you do it in our kitchen. And mommy slap you.
Cause she turn it back and front, that's true. See that like so. When you turn the side, see that the part that she turn it and it broke.
Come
so
down.
So she can. Okay, now my teacher said if we make one art and if we make the art good, we win a prize. I'm telling you, we can't make it.
Talk away this. Come to your hand. You drop.
She went to school, the dog. Ronaldo.
Which dog? White nose?
Don't grow.
Where you run for? You know for run.
But them dog, they normally when they pin them apart a long time, and the same thing.
Them rush them.
All the care them about off.
Oh.
So this man who father come, me say Kina, who father go down there grow up. So my father will have one of dog them. Hey, I want to come back down here and see one of about my dog. And money over there, no mommy, you know. So that never see him. Can go in.
Them want to tie the dog them.
Yeah. Get them that loose and I rush the kids them.
And the man say I will take him and get rid of them.
The neighbor say I get rid of them.
I know.
Come down.
Hush, talk, hush.
Daddy,
you cry.
Yeah, you cry.
I see the pool, but not that deep. The sun them want dig out some sun. So what I never take out some sun.
Them they pull it what you know for clean it.
Yeah, some sun want come out.
Cause to the beanie pull up one and pull one beanie.
Who?
Beanie.
Who that?
Take out some sun from up top.
Which part, right there, so?
Yeah. And it's the same pool them look so.
No, I realize. So now build back on the pool.
Yeah. Or the sandbag over.
Alright. So alright then. So I'm pass through. So if you can give this donation here on the camera. I'll make my ways 1, 2, 3.
Drink water. The more that sweet here, drink.
Drink or eat? Want a sweet she eat? Sweet that finish already?
No, Tina. Father, come over here
for them.
Father, come over here.
Oh no, him hide them every time when you see them, when you take out one, so you stop it. That's why me will take them.
But we not school on the 8th.
Excuse for way.
You know you see some city where the woman was here, they said she take away. Man, you come back not to see my candy.
Okay, so your mommy eat it off for that.
I'll be at the okay, now.
3 left back.
My mother said she said I have something there.
3.
Oh God, so Toko. So they eat it off and a blade pan.
Yeah.
Okay. We get caught, Kenisha.
No, about 3 alone.
3?
3.
Okay, now the woman said she bring one something there for them for me. Let me change it and say one AC in our room.
Change what the fan?
The summer one for over so. That can't blow in my room. I want an AC from my father.
Which father?
You got the house done, I want an AC.
You don't need no AC up here. You live in a cold place already.
Sometimes, Tina, when night come the place cold.
I know.
Then I have to crash up on somebody. Wow.
Last time, yeah, Mr. Keenan, none of can sleep in the room. She have two we have to hug up each other in the room.
Cool.
So, mother come run and slap we. We got school this morning.
That is lie. That is lie.
Mommy,
I'm never wake up.
Yeah, you come stop me there.
And then Cranberry, me have to wake up because when none of them wake up, she now go wake up.
Oh, Cranberry.
Cranberry always be the last to wake up.
Last to get ready.
And last to get ready.
And this man be first put on my shoes. When you say Brianna, my dog got the chip too. So I pay double money.
Alright guys, so I got 3 donations here, you know, to come to give, you know, to help out with the Cranberry family. And also we have a donation from Will, you know, to help out with trying to get a bunk bed for the kids. You know, trying to help out. So we have $9,000 from Will, you know, to help towards making up to buy a bunk bed. You know.
Cause last night we drop off at the bed.
Oh gosh, you want Toko, you see we have something else. You want me Stara?
Come give this. And nobody. So just come on, but one. Put it on the wheel. Daddy.
Alright, so here Kenisha, this is $9,000 from Will towards the bunk bed. So count that, so
thank you so much and make your basket never empty.
Will, thank you so much and may God bless you. Do you and your family members have a wonderful day.
thank you.
Will, thank you so much and may God bless
Cranberry.
you. Have a wonderful day and don't make your basket never empty.
Okay. So we give thanks,
Tell Will thanks.
Thank you, Will, from
Canada.
Canada.
Thank you so much. I make a whole basket never
empty.
Alright, then we have
Yes.
8,500 from unknown from Florida for the family. 8,500.
Unknown. Thank you so much and make your basket never empty. Thank you.
So that 8,500, he never said for it to go towards the supplies, so that's for the family. So
okay.
So you're gonna have that 8,500 if we unknown.
Thank you, unknown, and may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
Alright, so that's unknown from Florida. We give thanks. And this we have Cindy and Vanessa from Connecticut, to help out with supplies for Cranberry family. So Cindy and Vanessa. $19,000 from Cindy and Vanessa.
Wait, the Toko.
Me, win that ice cream.
Cindy and Vanessa.
Thank you so much and may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
Alright, so give thanks from Cindy and Vanessa from Connecticut.
Thank you, Cindy, and may God bless you. You have a wonderful day.
Nana sing that one there. Yes, Nana sing that one there. Yeah, boy. So we give thanks, we thank you guys, thank you Will, to helping out towards the bunk bed, Cindy and Vanessa, and also Unknown. We thank you so much, for helping out with the family and their journey. The thing was nothing but love and love alone.
Toko, want to sing something?
Toko, hey Toko!
Come on.
Come on Toko, you say you want to sing. Come on Toko.
Okay, me first. No, me first.
Alright, then I want to go first.
Everything that I wake up in my life was given by my given spirit. Everything I wake up in my life is a miracle. I wake up in the morning, I look up the Lord and say, Jesus Christ, the mountain was higher than the mountain. He was the air that is died on the cross. I worship Him very now. I know, say Jesus Christ is here, but I know, say He's here in spirit, Lord.
Yay, Nana. Alright, thank you, Nana. Toko, come Toko, your time now, Toko.
Nobody act shy.
Shy? Don't act shy.
So, how does she want to go up there? You see, me have to take our pines.
You remember a song?
I already got what got
Yeah. You have to take our pines from Toko.
Toko, I think of the song.
Toko, come now before more pines come off.
It's like 10 pounds.
Yeah, but if 10 pines come off, it's not good.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And I like.
I'm going to drink water for
Watch out, Toko, run, go and get Toko's back. The Toko remember. Right, Toko, you remember now? Alright, Toko remember. Come right here up on the front stage. Ready?
Feed my bless, feed my bless, myself in my. My mother is blessed, my father is blessed. Everything in my family is blessed. I worship God, worship God, worship God. Never, never.
Hey, never. Come again. Hey, Toko, lyrics, man. Because your family is blessed. Can I give me one more, Toko? Can I give me one more?
Can you one more for me?
Jay Shah tell her.
Oh, Jay Shah tell her.
Yeah. Toko go wear on the room.
Alright, come, Ken, your turn.
You are wonderful, Lord, and for everything you have done, I can say you are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. You are God. You are wonders. You make miracles happen every day. You are miracle worker. You are God and protector. You live inside. You never hide. You walk the highest of mountains. You are God. You will never be the same. You are mighty. You are mighty. You are God. You are my Savior.
Hey, well done, man. Well done.
Okay,
Toko,
can you let
go on,
me?
Toko. Go on then, Toko.
Relax.
Come, Toko.
My family is pretty, but my heart is.
You forgot? Go on, don't laugh. Should remember, your family is pretty. Come.
My family is pretty. She ever was close. That means my mother I ever apart. She pretty like me, and my sister pretty. When name Nana Cranberry is on me.
Cranberry. Brand new berry. Brand new berry. She gone at the kitchen now. What shall I cook now? You pray for her? Who you pray for? Cranberry?
Cranberry.
Cranberry gonna get
Come back,
prayed
she
for.
come back. She ready? You ready?
Don't come serious.
Nope. Oh, she has to go sing about it. She says she can sing about it.
show me who this? Nana.
No, Cranberry.
Look at this. Let me see Cranberry.
Like tea.
Can you see it? Let me see Cranberry. Who this? Cranberry. And this is Nana.
And this is you and me. This is Tara. This is Daddy. And this is Love.
Oh, what is?
This is
What is? The sun looks so.
Guys, say no you think so blessed love. So you know I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run now, you know you think so it's nothing but love and love alone. So blessed love guys, you know you think of dream team and team. Alright then Ken. I'm gonna make my way. Cranberry. Don't whisper nothing to me. You know. Later.
Safe journey, Daddy. I follow you.
Later. Tara. Let me see. Wow. Are you Jordan? Nice.
You know, I'm doing that fun when I'm gonna make. This a Cranberry and this a Nana.
The holy prophet stand firm.
This a Cranberry. This a Nana. This a Mommy. And this a me. This a Tara Daddy. And Lollipop.
And lollipop.
And us.
Our house.
And love.
And our heart.
No.
And the sun.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Rainbow
Alright
have different
then.
colors, but do not know say two
Look at Miss later, okay? Later.
When it's coming, Daddy?
How far phone that on the ground?
Fine.
How far phone that? It good?
Mommy.
It good?
Yes.
So that,
Tara, take picture.
so that the outside on the ground.
Phone. Good.
The phone look like them dash it there.
I see what.
Feel the breeze already, the breeze cool up here already. Look at the time. Breeze cool. Oops. Which game? It's time to go now. Oh, we just collect the coins. Yeah, that's easy. Easy. And run. Easy peasy. Like your mama been doing a lot of washing. Oops. Oh, you drop? No dropping. Mama, you're so strong. Holy person. Holy person. Yeah. Roll out. Roll out.
Everybody now run left America. Nobody don't want to see America again, bro. Nobody don't want to see America again.
Money, no. Come like them just come America, come work and go back and show them money. And the land never get land. And the man in a work, come over there and say, the come back and what they have to come to them, you know, that's what they take the back in and when you come to, you know.
I want to buy water. Oh, for Blackie.
No.
Alright, go on, can bring it out. Bob.
Can later. close. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.